Hello, my friends, how are you? Ready to learn? Me too. Let's sing, let's dance, let's play, let's read. Learn with me, Miss Didi. Hello, my friends, how are you? Ready to learn? Me too. Let's sing, let's dance, let's play, let's read. Learn with me, Miss Didi.
Allo Zomimio! Hi friends! Comment nous y? How are y'all doing? Listen! Did you hear that? Utande ça? Ooh! That's my belly. C'est vant mwen. I'm hungry. Mwen gongou. Let's sing a song about feeling hungry.
Boum boum, mwen gangou an pile. Boum boum, mwen gangou an pile. Vant mwen ap gwandem, mwen bezwen manje. Li good, merci. Excuse them. Boom boom, I am very hungry. Boom boom, I am very hungry. My stomach is growling, I need to eat. Yummy, thank you. Excuse me.
Excuse him. That was yummy. Li te good. I'm full now. Vant mwen plein. My vant is part of my body. Comme mwen. I have an idea. Let's learn about our bodies today. You ready? Ou pare?
Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy. Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy. Yeux, oreilles et bouche acné. Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy.
Let's do it faster.
Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy. Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy. Yeux, oreilles, bouche, nez. Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy.
Faster!
Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy. Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy. Yeux, oreilles, bouche, nez. Tèt, Zepòl, Jenou, Zòtèy, Jenou, Zòtèy.
Wow! Good job, guys! Woo! Hey, look! That's me, Miss Didi. Where's my head? Kote tèt mwen. There it is, Lila. Lila, can you touch your head? Touche tatu. Oh, look, I have hair on my head. Cheveux. Can you touch your hair? Touche cheveux. I can braid my hair. I can comb my hair. I can brush my hair. Paye cheveux. I love my hair. Cheveux. Where is my face? Kote fikim. Here it is. Here is my face. Fikim mwen. Ooh, I'm so pretty. Mwen belle. Look how cute you look. Ooh, belle. I can make silly faces. Mwen ka fe grimace. Ooh. What's this? These are my eyes. J'aime mwen. Mwen gen deux je. Let's count them. 1, 2. 1, 2. What color are my eyes? Qui couleur? Brown. Yes, marron. Can you close your eyes? Fermez. Now open. Ouvrez. Fermez. Ouvrez. Fermez. Ouvrez. What do I put on my eyes to help me see? My glasses. Lunettes Mwen. Ooh, I can see. Mwen ka wè. What's this? My ears. Zòtèy Mwen. Mwen tande ak zòtèy mwen yo. Here's my nose. You see my nose? Ne mwen. I smell with my nose. Mwen santi avec ne mwen. Ooh, what's that? My mouth. Bouche mwen. We can eat with our mouth. We can manger. We can drink with our mouth. Boire. We can talk with our mouth. Parler. Hi, hello. I have tongue in my mouth. Lung. I have teeth in my mouth. Dents. Look, this is my friend Hippopotamus. He needs help brushing his teeth. Oh wow, Mr. Hippo, you have lots of teeth. On pile dents. Can you open your mouth and show us your teeth? Ouvrez bouche. Whoa. Wow. Look at all those teeth. But wait, look, it's dirty in there. Let's brush your teeth. I got my toothbrush, Boston, and I got my toothpaste, spots, and I'm gonna put it on my toothbrush. Você. Alright, let's brush the lower teeth. Don't forget your tongue. Langu. Let's do a brush. Oh, clean, Mr. Hippo. Look. It's my friend, Mr. Potato Head, Tèt Patat. Can you help me put Mr. Potato Head together, Tèt Patat? Okay, let's get his other ear, the other Zòtèy. Ooh, ears, Zòtèy. Mr. Potato has 2 ears. All right, what else is missing? Yeah, eyes. Je. Okay. Ooh. Mr. Potato has 2 eyes. 2 je. 1, 2. 2. What does he need to smell? What does he need to sense? Yeah, nose. Ne. Okay, let's find ne, nose. He has a red nose. Wow, he's looking great. Mr. Potato, where's your hair? Côté cheveux. Ooh. Wow. Mr. Potato Head has hair. Cheveux. What can we put on his eyes to help him see?
Lynette!
Glasses. Lynette. Good job, guys. Looking good. All right. What do we need next? His mouth. Bushly. Okay. Is this his mouth?
Wee!
Good job. Wow, you're looking good, Mr. Potato Head. Now, let's put on his arms. Wow, one arm and two arms. Un, deux. All done, fini.
Woohoo! Wow, thank you. Merci, Miss Didi.
This is my neck. Cou. These are my shoulders. Zepòl. And this is my back. Dos. And my belly. Vant. What goes on my neck? Cool. A book bag, glasses, necklace. Good job. Yes, that's right. A necklace. What goes on my back? Dos. Lunette, soulier, or book bag. Good job. A book bag. Do you see my arm? Bras? Arms. Bras. I can give myself a hug. Accolade. These are my hands. Mwen. And my fingers. Duet. Clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Si ou content et puis ou connaît Batman ou. Si ou content et puis ou connaît Batman ou. Si ou content et puis ou connaît et ou vraiment vle montrer moi. Si ou content et puis ou connaît Batman ou.
Where are my legs? Jambes. Can you stand on one leg? Like a flamingo. Yeah. And where are my knees? Good job. Knees. Jenou. Babies crawl on their knees. Jenou. And we pray on our knees. And sometimes it's punishment, time out, à genoux. Finally, feet, pieds.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Si ou content et puis ou connaît frapper pied. Si ou content et puis ou connaît frapper pied. Si ou content et puis ou connaît et ou vraiment vle montrer moi. Si ou content et puis ou connaît frapper pied.
What else do I do with my feet? Avec PM. I can stand up, camper. Sit down, chita. Walk, marcher. Run, courir. Jump, sauter. Dance, danser. I can do a lot with my pieds. Feet, pieds. Finally, what are those things on my feet? My toes. Zòtèy. Can you wiggle your toes? Zòtèy. 10 toes. 10 zòtèy. Yay! Now that you know all the parts of your body, let's help Marjorie take a bath. Okay, let's help Marjorie take a bath.
Laver cheveux, laver cheveux, laver cheveux.
Figgy time!
Laver figgy, laver figgy, laver figgy.
Don't forget behind your ear.
Désolé, désolé, désolé.
Now your neck.
Laver cou, laver cou, laver cou.
And your back.
Laver dos, laver dos, laver dos.
Now your arm.
Laver bois, laver bois, laver bois.
Now your belly.
Laver vant, laver vant, laver vant.
Wash your hands.
Laver main, laver main, laver main.
Now your legs.
Laver jambes, laver jambes, laver jambes.
Now your knees.
Laver genoux, laver genoux, laver genoux.
And your feet.
Laver pieds, laver pieds, laver pieds.
Now your toes.
Laver zòtèy, laver zòtèy, laver zòtèy.
Thanks for helping me learn about the body today. Mwen. Now let's say goodbye. See you later. Au revoir.
Goodbye, my friends. Au revoir.